Hello everyone, class 8th. Today we'll study sum of measures of exterior angle of a polygon. Polygon, any closed figure bounded by 3 or more line segments. Here we have to prove x plus y plus z. We have to find the value of exterior angles x plus y plus z. Means we need to find what will be sum of all the exterior angles in a polygon. So I have taken simplest polygon, that is triangle. This is triangle ABC. These are exterior angles of the triangle x, y and z. Now I considered interior angles 1, 2 and 3. See, if you want to find angle 1, it will be 180 minus x by linear pair. As you can see, angle 1 and x are forming a line. So similarly, angle 2 will be 180 minus y and angle 3 will be 180 minus z. So in triangle ABC, you can see angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Means in place of A, I have taken 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. We are putting values of angle 1, 2 and 3. Value of angle 1 is 180 minus x, value of angle 2 is 180 minus y plus value of angle 3 is 180 minus z is equal to 180. So I am transposing this x, y, z, negative x, y, z into right hand side. It will be x plus y plus z and this 180 plus this 180 plus this 180, and I am transposing this 180 to left hand side. It will become negative. So negative 180 and positive 180 will be cancelled out. Now we'll be having 180 plus 180 is equals to x plus y plus z. So 180 plus 180 is equals to 360. It means x plus y plus z is equals to 360 degree. So you can try it for some other polygons like quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon and so on. So from here we can have a conclusion. Sum of exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. Now I will let you know what is regular polygon. Any polygon whose all sides and all angles are equal is known as regular polygon. Regular polygon, simplest regular polygon is equilateral triangle. You can see in equilateral triangle all the sides are equal and all the angles are 60 degree. In a square you can see all the four sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. So it is a regular polygon. We are having a formula. Each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 upon n. 360 degree upon n. This is where n is a number of sides. N is number of sides. We can see this. We can understand this with the help of example. Suppose I am having equilateral triangle. If we want to get any exterior angle of this triangle, equilateral triangle, will be applying formula. Each exterior angle is equals to 360 upon n. N here you can see this is 3. 360 upon 3 is equal to 120 degree. Now I am starting exercise 3.2. Question number first, B part. You can see figure. This is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Now some angles, this is given symbol, you can recognize. This is a symbol of 90 degree. This is 70 degree. This is unknown. This was 90 and we have to calculate angle 1 on this basis. So it will be 180 minus 90 degree and this is 60. So as we know, sum of all the exterior angles in a polygon is 360 degree. So we will be adding all the exterior angles. This 90 plus 70 plus x plus 90 plus 60 is equals to 360. So you know how to solve this. You can solve this and get your answer. Answer will be 50. I'm taking second question, B part. Second question is find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. We have to find each exterior angle of a regular polygon in which there are 15 sides. N is equals to 15. So each exterior angle will be 360 upon n. N is here 15. So 360 upon 15 is equals to 24. So each exterior angle will be 24 degree. Now question number 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each interior angle, now each interior angle is given, we have to find number of sides. You can see each interior angle is 160 degree. Each exterior angle you can calculate, it is 180 minus 165 because interior angle and exterior angle together form a line. So each exterior angle will be 15 degree. Further, each exterior angle, now as we calculated each exterior angle, so we will be applying the formula. Each exterior angle is equals to 360 upon number of sides. So each exterior angle is 15. So 15 is equals to 360 upon n. If you transpose this n to left hand side, this n will come here and this 15 will be transposed to right hand side and will become denominator of 360. So n is equals to 360 upon 15. Now after solving this you will be getting 24. So this polygon, regular polygon, will be having 24 sides. Thank you.